Be really, really quickly.
Sherry was in the front.
So, Evelyn, how did you get on?
Great day. Great way to spend a Sunday.
Yep.
Powerful, informative, very, very enjoyable and really,
stuff.
really great.
And you got to
Delighted.
experience it yourself?
Oh, absolutely. Just
Fantastic. Lovely stuff. Pat?
Yeah, great day, Karl. I feel kind of completely different, totally rewired,
Yeah.
ready to take on whatever I
Yeah.
have to take on next.
And
Great.
can you actually get that feeling back, do you think? You did?
No, that feeling's gone now. Yeah,
Fantastic.
it's totally gone.
Larry, sir?
Yeah, it was a powerful experience, and the fact that everything could happen so quickly
Yeah.
was really the biggest revelation, I suppose. And as it turned out, what we ended up dealing with was pretty
Heavy stuff, yeah.
heavy stuff.
It
Yeah,
is,
it actually was.
Yeah.
And it was amazing how it, in such a short time,
Yeah.
there was a resolution brought up, and it was,
It's minutes, isn't it?
marvelous
Yeah.
to see it.
Thank
yeah.
you, Larry, for that.
It was
You okay, mate?
tough
I
one.
won't actually.
Yeah, that's
if you don't want.
Yeah. Marie, my friend, how are you?
great. I feel brilliant. I feel
Marie,
really
do you
empowered.
mind, do you mind just explaining what it was like coming here, what you were coming and met that fear?
Well, I mean, it took me so much to actually be here in the first place, so that was a big step today.
Yeah.
And then,
I could see it in you when you came in, I was nervous.
I was
about you.
so nervous. Oh my
You're
God.
feeling anxiety and all that coming in.
Yeah, everything. But at the end of the day here now, I mean, I'm standing here talking to you,
Yeah,
and
it's-
I feel brilliant. I feel like I'm going to go home now and I'm going to drive the car. I actually feel empowered.
Yeah.
I feel brilliant now.
Is there anything inside you, because this fear was stopping you driving for the last 5 years, you're
Yeah.
only driving around Selbridge, you couldn't drive outside Selbridge.
Yeah,
That's tough on the family, isn't it? And the
it's been
husband.
very tough. Yeah, my
Have you-
husband doesn't drive,
Oh.
so yeah, so
Tough on the taxi man.
I know, yeah.
So you're going to go
Yeah.
home, you're going to send us a video later of you driving,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
100%, can you get
Absolutely.
that feeling back?
No, I can't get that feeling back.
Lovely
I
stuff.
haven't even thought about it. Like,
Oh, there
I
you
can't
go.
even get it.
Excellent. My other friend, Lee. We
yeah,
got to work with each other really quickly as well.
Yes. it was really good.
Like, what's the change for you?
Just I feel like she said there the same. I just feel empowered. I feel ready, and the fact that I can do this because I had experience of it before, and
Yeah,
it was
you
really.
worked with Vivian
I
before,
worked with
yeah.
Vivian before, and
Yeah.
I was amazed, and
Yeah.
I knew, and I was like, I want to learn that because I want to be able to help as many people as I can, and to see it, and because I was kind of saying, I don't know if I would be able to do it, but
You know,
I can do it.
and you can do it.
Yeah.
You're a different woman.
I'm a different.
Brilliant.
Thank
Tara, my friend, how are you?
Hi, Karl, how are you? I'm feeling lovely and relaxed and really empowered and feeling very lucky to have been shown how to use this technique. And I think it's something that everybody needs to learn. It will bring so much joy to people's
Joy,
lives.
yeah.
And
Quickly.
yeah, thank
Quickly,
you very
all
much.
the parents out there struggling with their children and running
Yeah.
around and never getting an answer, and we can do it
Straight
like
away.
that.
Yeah.
Noel, sir, how are you?
Hey Karl, yeah, brilliant day as usual. You know, I had to be back here again. Yeah, like I mean, it works. I've experienced it before a year and a half ago, and it changed my life a year and a half ago. It was the start of me recovering from PTSD. So it's great to come here and learn how
You
to
do a lot of great work with people
Yeah.
too in drama,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm delighted to hear that. Thank
Yeah,
you, Noel.
thanks very much, Karl.
Lovely stuff, and we have a lovely Colette.
Great stuff. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
I look forward to using the technique and practicing it with loved ones and friends.
Excellent, thank you. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Right. It's a good test, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Thank you very much. I think it was very helpful for me, and I very enjoyed it and met amazing people.
Yeah, you speak English. And in fairness, you wouldn't have done this before the cameras, you wouldn't. And now, you probably feel a bit apprehensive, I get that, but well done, fantastic. Carmen, my old friend, I know you a long time.
Great technique, Karl.
As you said, I go to places no other man has gone before.
You go to places nobody else would dare go before. But fair play to you.
On the
you're-
bordering lunacy, right?
No, a pioneer. You're a pioneer in this.
Yeah.
Well done. I've
Yeah.
seen some great results, so
Yeah.
keep up the
And
good
how are
work.
you feeling? You're feeling good? Because I
Feeling
know.
good, shifting and processing.
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
see the great timer in my
And
brain.
won't just all just update the group folks. We love honesty. We want to know, we really want to see that move.
Yeah.
I really want to see it. And everybody who was held back by something, show us the change, right? Thank you so much, Carl. And of course, we have Geraldine.
Yeah, I'm feeling excited. I've had a beautiful day. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to using this
Yes.
technique and going forward. And I feel a shift in myself. I'm
Yeah.
thinking
You actually see it in you.
processing
You actually
and,
see it, you know. And
yeah, it's
the next person I'm going to put down here, by the way, had this massive fear of rejection and stage fright, standing in public and all that. I actually met him 3 weeks ago at a conference. And he's asked me back then would I help him, and I didn't.